Hi YouTube, this is Stephanie with Exclusive SB, and today is day 10 of 2019 Vlogmas. And today I'm just going to share with you guys a really quick vlog and slash haul. So I went to the Dollar Tree earlier today in order to look for a couple of items, and I noticed that they had quite a nice bit of Christmas decorations and gifts at the store, and just wanted to share with you some of the things that I saw in my local Dollar Tree. But I will go ahead and share real quick with you guys the things that I did pick up at the Dollar Tree, and most of the things I purchased are not related to the holiday season, but I did pick up a couple of these journals that I saw. This one says Write Your Story, and it's just a blue journal, and I think it says it has like 60 sheets in here, and they are lined sheets. But yeah, so I thought that this would probably make a pretty decent gift for someone, maybe like a sibling or a coworker or just a friend. And then there's also one that says Don't Quit, and this one is really colorful. It has like the flowers and leaves on here, so the blues and the pinks and the fuchsia. So I thought that this was pretty cool. And it also has like the little elastic strap to keep it closed. But yeah, I think these are make some really cool gifts. And then also I went and picked up some peanut butter brittle. I always pick up peanut butter brittle around the Christmas holiday because it just kind of gives me that feeling when I was younger, because my mom would make it from scratch, but I don't know how to do it. So I did pick this up, but it still tastes pretty good. And I told you guys that I have been studying for an exam, and so I stopped studying for that particular exam, but now I'm studying for another exam. And when I study for exams, I always need like candy, so I went and picked up this bag of lemon heads, the original lemon heads, and I thought that this was a little different. They actually have them in these little small boxes, kind of like, I guess, kind of like a trick-or-treating. But back, I thought it was nice because it's just not like an open bag of open bag of lemon heads. So they're actually in a box, so you kind of pace yourself by eating the one box at a time instead of trying to go through the whole bag of loose lemon heads. And they're 40 calories, if you care, 40 calories per serving, but I still thought that was neat. And then of course I had to pick up my all-time favorite, so Now and Later. I think I got it upside down. The Now and Later, and I always pick up the original mix. This is my favorite, and of course my favorite out of the bag is cherry. And so yeah, I picked those up. And I have also, I'm going to try this out, this Tide. I don't usually buy Tide, but I was thinking this, you get 6 loads out of this one thing of Tide, and I'm going to see if it's more cost efficient for me to use, or for me to purchase it from the Dollar Tree, or is it more cost efficient just to purchase like the larger size at another store, kind of like Walmart or BJ's or someplace like that. And then the only other thing I picked up was some medicine, because I've been dealing with a couple of headaches over the past couple of days. So they had some Excedrin, so I picked some up at the store. Alright, so those are the items that I purchased. And if you'll stand by, I'll go ahead and let you guys see some of the items that I saw while I was in the store, in terms of Christmas items and also possible Christmas gifts. Alright, thank you.
candy is this? Oh, sorry. Motion sensor salmon. Check this.
Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho!
These are cute. Oh, these are really cute. Candy canes with jelly candy. God. Traditional. I might get some of this today. I don't need it. I want it. Look at the small candy canes. Candy canes. Sticky. Oh, these are cute. Dollar. Salmon kitten. Puppy dog. I don't know what this is. Person. Oh, elf. It's an elf. Coloring books. Lights. Cute. Wear these with your ugly Christmas sweater. These bears. These are cute. That's cute.
I'm ready for Christmas meal. I'm ready to be done.
The LED lights, I'll put these on the other tree. Take them other ones off. Gag gifts and things. Yep. More candy. these for the yard. I get these for the yard. I don't want $1.